Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you through a typical day, of course starting off with one of our grocery deliveries in the beginning of the week, and this should take us through the whole week for $33.59. Can't beat that price, including delivery. So now Eric wanted to get a little bit of a walk-in, and he wanted to take you guys with him. He just went to go play the cellular bill, Claro. So from the Claro building, he's going to take you down a couple of streets to just show you the neighborhood of Santiago, to see where things are. For those that had questions about are there American chained restaurants, what's available out there, he's going to take you through and show you some of the businesses as he takes a walk from Avenida Salvador Estrella Sadajala to Avenida 27 de Febrero. Enjoy the walk, guys. So we're going to start by passing this government building that has the Banreservas Bank, which is one of the government banks. And we're going to make our way down the street, down Estrella. So you're going to see a lot of different stores. You're going to see a lot of different cellular stores. You're going to see, look at that, guy shining shoes right there. Wait for the bus, get your shoes shine. Can't beat that. You're also going to see La Suerte, which is where a lot of people get their little checks and payday loans and all that little things done. But what we're going to come up on your right is going to be a small mall, what mall they'd call it, Las Galerías Centro. And there's a lot of little stores inside of there. So if you got some quick little things and you don't want to go into a big mega mall like Colinas or any of those other ones, you can go right here to grab whatever you need. And I don't know if you guys caught it, but in the distance on the left-hand side, there is a KFC. So you guys that asked, was there American restaurants around? I think you can see the KFC, actually, the image in the window. There's KFC. Across from KFC, there's a McDonald's. And on the other side of Claro, where we first started, had we made a left, there was a Burger King. So yeah, they're all out here too. There you go, KFC. See, he just flies right by it because he didn't even think about it anymore. Well, in this mall, there is bridal shop, there's Republic clothing store, there's a logo branding store, and there's like a cell phone accessory store. So, enjoy the walk. Sure to stay tuned towards the end of this video, because I promise we have put something in here. When we say things you will only see out in the DR, you are going to see something that we caught early Wednesday morning that you are just not gonna believe was going down the street. So make sure you stay tuned to the end. And I know that you'll see that the traffic on one side is so immensely heavy and so clear on the other. You're wondering, was there an accident? Nope, that's just a regular day. There's going into the city and then there's going out. So as you can see, going out, hardly any traffic. And then you'll see going into the city, there's lots of traffic. So this is typically what it looks like, especially with this car trying to make a left-hand turn and basically blocking everyone and no one letting him through. Yeah, those of you that have been out here, you know that's very, very typical. We always say DR driving. This is exactly why we don't want to drive out here. Those that waited to the end, here you go. A woman riding a donkey, selling her wares in old paint containers. Nothing's ever wasted, and they are very ingenious. The struggle is real. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe.